This is Trina at LaGrange Toyota, 1221 Lafayette Parkway, LaGrange, Georgia, 30240. Dealership number is 882-2963. It's really messy outside, so I pulled it under the doorway here to try to shoot this video for you, Derek. It says the 1999 Dodge Durango Chili Pepper Red Pearl. Really nice, well kept up. This is a 4x4. And it does have a good set of tires on it. It's got like a gray interior, AM, FM, CD player. You know, you also have your plugs, you know, auxiliary plugs and stuff on the inside. A cup holder, storage area in the doors. Ooh, it's very windy out here. And you also had the pockets in the back, cup holders in the back, power locks and windows, third row seat, you know, in case you got some friends. I know your dad said you was going to use this for in the woods and stuff, so I don't know, it's kind of nice. I don't know if I'd want to run it in the woods, but it also has a hitch on the back in case you wanted to hook up, pull a trailer. Look at this, is a Durango SLT 4x4 V8. Trying to get you a picture of it, you know, before you made the journey down here to look at it. Like I said, it looks really sharp, well kept, paint job looks good, got fog lights. And by the way, my name's Trina, so if you're interested, you know, just give the dealership a call, 882-2963. We can set up an appointment, take it for a test drive. Hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe in this weather. Bye-bye.